Hey, Vinny, pass me a small Tanaka for favor. Thanks, buddy. So we're gonna make a sausage sandwich. It's one of my favorites. So we're just gonna start with some of our homemade sausage. We've got fennel, rosemary, garlic, parsley, a little bit of cayenne, salt, black pepper. I owned a small restaurant in Arizona for a while, and I used to eat this sandwich there a lot. It was just one of my favorite things to eat for dinner because most of the time I was eating on my feet, like on the line. So obviously sandwiches are good transportation method to get food from wherever into your mouth. So while the sausage is browning, we're going to add a little bit of shaved fennel to that. I think the most important part of a sandwich is the bread, actually. You know, it's just the vessel, but it's like the most important part. If you have shitty bread, your sandwich is going to suck no matter what you put in it. We're going to go big on this one, and then we'll split it up later. So we're going to give that a nice toast. So we got some sun-dried tomato pesto, and we've got some fennel pesto. It's a puree of the tops of fennel. It makes this beautiful green color, but also an amazing deep fennel flavor. Just a little bit of mozzarella. We're gonna get some smoked onions on there. We're gonna chuck this whole thing in the oven for just a second. This freaking thing doesn't even fit in my oven. That looks pretty good.
I think you're gonna make some friends today.
Yeah, I hope so. I like it.
Yo, thanks for watching. It's Robbie, the Sammich Serini. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe. We got a new video each week. If you got a place we should check out, then let me know down in the comments. We love you, and see you next time.
Oh, that's good. Sandwich vendor.